Let me show you how to add post on threads. This is amazing and outclass app. This app work like Twitter. You can easily add post or retweet like your amazing post. Just open threads app and here you can see plus icon. To create new post, just click on plus icon to add your post on threads. This is amazing. Just follow some simple step and just click on icon. Here you can see different setting. You can I write any post in my threads app. If you want to make account on threads app, kindly check our previous video how to download threads app and how to create account or post video on threads. Let's see. Just paste your ideas or post. I paste my YouTube channel link and provide this description. After do this setting and let's see again. This is amazing app work like Twitter. You can retweet like and post your on threads. I provide here some title and hashtag, and this is amazing. On first day 1 million user can download this threads app providing by the Instagram and Facebook team. And after I write hashtag, here you can see many feature in upcoming days. After clicking here you can see post option. Just click on post option to create post on threads. This is simple process how to create post on threads. Let's see my posting successfully done. Here you can see refresh this page. This is amazing and simple to create post on Instagram threads. And kindly first download threads app and then second create an account on this app. If you like this video, share with friend. See you in the next video. Goodbye.